Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware and access. Check Device Manager or your PC spec to confirm a 5 GHz capable adapter, because 4 GHz only adapters cannot connect. Once confirmed, update the adapter driver to latest version. Newer drivers fix stability and band selection. Next, make sure your router is configured to broadcast a distinct 5 GHz SSID and that you have the password. Doing these steps first prevents wasted time later and lets you proceed directly to connecting without surprise. Now connect and tune settings for reliable performance. In Windows, open Network Settings, find the 5 GHz SSID and enter the password. You want the device to join that radio band specifically. If your router uses a single SSID for both bands, either split them in the router or set the adapter's preferred band in Advanced Properties to favor 5 GHz. This avoids being bumped to 4 GHz. Also set the adapter power plan to high performance to reduce roaming and maintain throughput. Finish by verifying performance and fixing issues. Run a speed test and inspect signal strength. 5 GHz has less range, so move the PC closer if RSSI is weak. If you can't see the 5 GHz band, check the router channel configuration. Some channels require DFS and certain adapters won't support them, so choose a common channel like 3648. If problems persist, reinstall drivers, reset the network stack, or consider a compatible USB 5 GHz adapter. That solves many stubborn hardware or driver limitations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.